Every image group has a different prompt. How do you batch send them? Image and prompt matching. I've got 9 images, 3 per group, each group paired with a different prompt. Open image and prompt matching from the bottom left. Drag in all images, set 3 per group, click Add to Tasks. Paste in your prompts, click Add to Tasks. Each line of prompt gets assigned to each column in order, matched with the corresponding image group. What we just did assigns 1 prompt line per column. If you click Batch Add instead, all prompts go into every column. Useful when all image groups share the same set of prompts. You can add or remove images in each column, minimum 1 image. You can also reorder the send sequence for images and prompts. Prompts can be single-line or multi-line. If multi-line, each line pairs with the images as a separate batch. So 3 lines of prompt equals 3 separate batches sent out. If your prompt is really long, multiple paragraphs, turn on entire prompts. This way the whole prompt stays together as one batch, no matter how many lines it has. Hit send. Check Task Manager for progress. If anything fails, no worries. Hit the refresh button and it auto-retries. Successful ones have the same button too. Tap it to regenerate. Great for getting multiple versions. Check out the results. Not bad. That's image and prompt matching.